Hi guys, this is A Course in Miracles and it's going to be lesson 24. And this is quite lengthy, so I'm going to try and chop it up. So the lesson is, I do not perceive my own best interest. So in no situation which arises do you realize the outcome that would make you happy. Therefore, you have no guide to an appropriate action and no way of judging the results. What you do is determined by your perception of the situation, and that perception is wrong. It is inevitable then you will not serve your own best interests, yet they are your only goal in any situation, which is correctly perceived. Otherwise, you will not recognize what they are. If you realize that you do not perceive your own best interests, you could be taught what they are. But in the presence of your conviction that you do know that you cannot learn. The idea for today is a step towards opening your mind so that your learning can begin. The exercises for today require much more honesty than you're accustomed to using. A few subjects honestly and carefully consider in each of the 5 practice periods, which should be undertaken today, will be more helpful and more cursory examination of a large number. 2 minutes are suggested for each mind-searching period, which exercises involve. The practice periods begin with repeating today's idea, following by searching the mind with closing your eyes. So name each situation that occurs to you and carefully as many goals as possible that you would like to be met in its resolution. The form of the application should roughly as follows. In the situation involving blank, I would like blank to happen and instead blank happened. So in the situation today with Peter, I wish I would have made up with him to happen. Instead, we argued more. That happened. And so on. So try and cover up as many different outcomes as possible and as honestly as you can. So if these exercises are done properly, you will quickly recognize that you are making a large number of demands of the situation which have nothing to do with it. You will also recognize that many of your goals are contradictory. So I do not perceive my own best interests in this situation. Namaste.